Have you ever wondered how far-reaching a communication platform can be? Imagine being able to connect with loved ones, colleagues, and clients across the globe with just a few clicks. Today, we're diving into the expansive reach of Vonage, a leading cloud communication platform. Before we get to the numbers, let's understand why global availability matters. Vonage's mission is to empower businesses and individuals to connect seamlessly. This means providing reliable, scalable, and affordable communication solutions, regardless of location. So, how does Vonage achieve this? A global network. Vonage has invested heavily in a robust global network infrastructure. This network consists of data centers, servers, and gateways strategically located across the world. This ensures low latency and high-quality connections, even in remote areas. Partnerships and integrations. Vonage has formed strategic partnerships with local telecommunications providers and carriers. These partnerships allow Vonage to extend its reach into regions where it might not have a physical presence. API-first approach. Vonage's API-first approach enables developers to integrate Vonage's communication capabilities into their own applications. This flexibility allows businesses to tailor their communication solutions to meet specific regional needs. The big question: how many countries? Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Just how many countries is Vonage available in? While the exact number might fluctuate slightly over time, Vonage boasts an impressive presence in nearly every country worldwide. This means that whether you're operating a small business in Nigeria or a multinational corporation in China, Vonage can provide you with the communication tools you need. Key regions and availability. To give you a better idea, let's highlight some key regions and the availability of Vonage services. North America. Vonage has a strong presence in the United States and Canada. Europe. From the United Kingdom to Germany and France, Vonage offers a wide range of communication solutions. Asia. Vonage has expanded its operations in countries like Japan, Singapore, and Australia. Africa. Vonage has made significant strides in Africa, providing services in countries like South Africa, Nigeria, and Kenya. Latin America. Vonage has established a presence in Brazil, Mexico, and other Latin American countries. Benefits of global reach. Having a global reach offers numerous advantages for businesses and individuals. Seamless communication. Connect with colleagues, customers, and partners worldwide without worrying about geographic barriers. Scalability. As your business grows, Vonage can easily scale to meet your increasing communication needs. Cost-effective solutions. Vonage offers competitive pricing and flexible plans, making it affordable for businesses of all sizes. Reliability. Vonage's global network ensures reliable and high-quality communication, even in challenging environments. Real-world examples. To illustrate the impact of Vonage's global reach, let's look at a few real-world examples. A multinational corporation. A large company can use Vonage to unify its communication systems across multiple countries, improving collaboration and reducing costs. A remote team. A team of freelancers working from different parts of the world can use Vonage to stay connected and collaborate effectively. A small business. A small business can use Vonage to expand its reach into new markets and connect with customers worldwide. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, Vonage is available in nearly every country worldwide. This impressive reach is a testament to Vonage's commitment to providing reliable, scalable, and affordable communication solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.